Fabulous to be back here in Samui again. It's undoubtedly our favourite regatta of the team. Have a look at some happy people. Without the great sponsors in any regatta, it never measures up. And with Raymond Lounge, great beer and Singer beer, and of course the world famous Centaur Resort, it makes for a great team of sponsors. So thank you very much. It's been a fairly light wind regatta, and it's been a tough job for the guys out on the water like Tony Denham and his race team. Thank you, Tony, and to all your guys on the race boat for organising excellent races. Job well done.
But it has been such a pleasure to work with Centaur this year. Their team are so professional, so effective, and it's just been a real joy to work with them. And every single event they've done for us with the tavern from tonight is just absolutely spectacular. In third place, Phil Bremner and Foxy Lady 4.
And a big congratulations to the Robertson Pond Racing. Thank you very much.
The Samui Regatta 2008. In third place, Toby O'Connell on Demetara Frog. And in first place, in the multi-class division, 2008 Samui Regatta, Regatta and Cedar Swan. Okay, in the cruising class, in third place, you've got Golf Charters with Big Blue.